Hey guys, super quick video today, but I wanted to show what I posted in the community post last night about, or more of what I picked up from the Swapmeet on Saturday night. Yeah, baby. Mcculloch Timberbear. Picked it up for 20 bucks at the local Swapmeet / flea market. It runs good, but straight from the get-go, there's two things that I know are going to for certain need to be replaced. First one is that off and on switch, because it absolutely does not work. And the chain brake. As you can see, it's supposed to stay snapped forward, but it doesn't. It stops the chain, but it just snaps back to the disengaged position. Not safe. So, gonna start her up real quick. Doesn't have much gas in it, so I'm only gonna run it for a second or two. Oh, well, I guess that time it decided to work. Not bad at all, guys, especially for 20 bucks. I'm still going to go ahead and replace that on-off switch anyway, and I'll show the process of it too, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week.